Hello everyone. So for today I'm going to share with you how I made this ice cream, popularly known as Abele walls. So stay tuned and then watch this recipe. Okay, so with this recipe we need milk powder, sugar, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, vanilla, butter, and then strawberry. I have also unsalted butter, and then the sticks for the ice cream. Yeah, it's called sokodia back home. You also need a cup of flour and then strawberry. I'm going to show you how to use the strawberry in this ice cream. So you need the cups also for the ice cream. Okay, so the first step is to cook your flour. So you add 1 cup of water and then the flour. You cook until it becomes thick like porridge, and then you add your butter and then mix everything together. Once it's thick, then it's ready. So as you can see in the video, flour is already done. Okay, so you transfer the flour into the mixing bowl, and then you add your white sugar, stir everything together, and then add your condensed milk. Mix it well so that you get a smooth texture. Once you are done mixing, set it aside and allow it to cool a bit. Okay, so for the next step, we will mix the milk powder and the all-purpose cream. You add half cup of water and then mix it until it's very smooth. Make sure to mix it well to remove all the lumps from the mixture. Once you're done mixing, pour it into the flour mixture and then stir everything together. In the same mixture, I'll be adding my vanilla essence and butter essence. You can go for any other flavorings you prefer. So at this point it's ready, but I'm going to proceed and do the strawberry flavor. Pour your frozen strawberry into a mixing bowl and then mash it until it's very smooth. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Add your strawberry flavoring and then mix everything together. If you don't have strawberry, you can go with colorings or anything that you prefer. So I will pour half of the mixture into the strawberry and then mix everything together, and then it's ready. So at this point you get your cups ready and then you scoop in your mixture into the level you want them to be. Once all the cups are filled, insert your sticks and then place them in the freezer for 5 hours. Okay, so this is the other way to also freeze your ice cream. You get the ice candy plastics and then you scoop in your mixture into it and then just tie it, and that's it. You keep them in freezer. So this is more common also in the market. It's actually very simple and then good for kids as well. So once you're done bagging everything, you put them in the freezer for 5 hours as well. Okay, so after 5 hours I checked on the ice cream and then they are ready. So this is it. It looks so good. You get water in a bowl and then you set in the cups for it to be easily removed, and then that is it. That's our ice cream. I really enjoyed this. It was really yummy, yummy. And then this is the ones we bagged in the ice candy bags. So thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.